technological breakdown. Oh no, this is the road to hell.